front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear. Click on voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!